Adding mixed numbers. Procedure. Step 1. Add the whole numbers and fractions separately. Step 2. If your fractional part is improper, the numerator is larger than or equal to the denominator, rewrite it as a mixed number and add the whole number portions again. Step 2. Reduce the fraction part to lowest terms. So let's look at example A. We have 7 and 5/6 plus 3 and 5/5. So the first thing we're going to do if we're going to add fractions is find the common denominator. And the common denominator between 6 and 5 is 30. So 6 times 5 is 30, so I multiply by 5 on the denominator and the numerator. And then 5 times 6 is 30, so I have to multiply the numerator by 6 as well. This gives me the new problem, 7 and 25 over 30 plus 3 and 18 over 30. So now we have a common denominator, and we want to add the whole number portions and the fractional portions separately. So 7 plus 3 is 10. We have a common denominator of 30. And then 25 plus 18, we can do that off to the side. 25 plus 18. 5 plus 8 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. And 3 plus 1 is 4. So we get 43 over 30. Now notice that the 43 over 30 is improper. So we're going to rewrite this as 10 plus, and now we want to convert the improper fraction, 43 over 30, to a mixed number. So we would say 30 goes into 43 once with a remainder of 13. So it's going to be 13 over 30. And I always like to check it when I'm done, so if I turned it into a mixed number, we would say 1 times 30 is 30, and 30 plus 13 is 43. So we did it correctly. And now we're going to combine the whole number portions again, so 10 plus 1 is 11. That's 11 and 13 over 30. Last thing we need to do is check to see if the fractional portion can be reduced. 13 and 30 have no common factors, so this is already fully reduced. Example B gives us 4 and 7/8 plus 3 and 6/7. So we need to find a common denominator for 8 and 7. Well, 8 times 7 is 56. So we'll use that. So multiply the 8 by 7 and the 7 by 7 as well. Multiply this 7 by 8 and the 6 by 8 as well. This gives us the new problem of 4 and 7 times 7 is 49. And 8 times 7 is 56. Plus 3 and 6 times 8 is 48. And 7 times 8 is 56. Now that we have a common denominator, we can add. So 4 plus 3 is 7. We have a common denominator of 56. Now we want to add 49 plus 48. So that's 49 plus 48. 9 plus 8 is 17. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. So we get 97. So now we have 7 and 97 over 56. 97 over 56 is improper, so we want to reduce. So we want to know how many times 56 will go into 97. And it looks like it'll only go in once. So we're going to get 7 plus 1 and something over 56. But we need to figure out what the remainder would be when we divide 97 by 56. So we can subtract 97, 56. We subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. So we get 41 over 56. And 41 and 56 don't share any common factors, so this won't reduce when we're done. So now we say 7 plus 1 and 41 over 56, so we combine the whole number portions. That's 8 and 41 over 56. And we're done. In example C, notice that we already have a common denominator. So we don't have to find a common denominator. So we go right to adding. 1 plus 2 is 3. 5 plus 1 is 6 over a common denominator of 9. And in this case, our fraction's already proper. So all we have to do is reduce this fraction. 6 and 9 are both reducible by 3. So this gives us 3, and 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So our final answer is 3 and 2/3.